Welcome to the best pick. The best Neutrogena Mascara is probably one of the most talked about mascaras in the beauty community, and for good reason. Today, we're diving deep into this iconic product to see if it lives up to the hype. From its innovative formula to its easy application, we'll explore every aspect of this mascara. Get ready to discover whether this mascara is the perfect addition to your makeup collection, and if it's worth the buzz. Number 5. Neutrogena Micellar Cleansing Wipes Twin Pack. Introducing the Neutrogena Micellar Cleansing Wipes. These wipes gently cleanse and effectively remove makeup. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and conditioned. These wipes dissolve dirt, bacteria, oil, and makeup. They even remove pollution, sweat, and sunscreen. It offers superior cleansing power in a convenient wipe. Formulated with a triple emollient blend, it gently dissolves makeup and impurities. This includes waterproof mascara, while conditioning your skin. No rinsing is required. These wipes are ophthalmologist, dermatologist, and allergy tested. They are free of fragrance, parabens, alcohol, sulfates, phthalates, soaps, and dyes. It's gentle enough for daily use. Made with 100% plant-based cloth, it's easy to use. Simply wipe over your face, eyes, lips, and neck. Dispose of the wipe in your home compost or trash. What we like? These wipes effectively remove even the toughest waterproof mascara, making your nightly routine a breeze. They are also gentle, and won't irritate your skin. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to remove all your makeup, including stubborn mascara, this is a great choice. What people say. I am seriously impressed with these Micellar, alcohol-free makeup remover wipes. I've tried so many brands over the years, and nothing has come close to how effortlessly these wipes melt away makeup. Even long-wear foundation and stubborn mascara come off without rubbing or tugging. Best face wipe. I wear waterproof mascara and this takes it right off with having to rub hard. It doesn't pull my skin and it still feels hydrated afterwards. Gentle face wipes. Good size, one removes all makeup each time. Sensitive enough to use around my eyes. Have ordered multiple times as it works well. Leaves my face feeling clean and refreshed. Number 4. LUMIFY Eye Drops, Redness Reliever for Brighter Eyes. Are your eyes looking red and tired? This product can help. It's designed to reduce redness and make your eyes look brighter. Introducing LUMIFY, the eye drops from Bosch Plus L'Homme. It works quickly, reducing redness in just 1 minute, and the effect lasts for up to 8 hours. What makes it different? It's the only over-the-counter drop with brimonidine. This ingredient targets redness specifically, minimizing potential side effects. Rest assured, it's FDA approved and contains no bleach or dyes. It's also the #1 eye doctor recommended redness reliever, helping your eyes appear whiter and more radiant. Eye redness can be caused by many things, like eye fatigue, dryness, sun exposure, or allergies. This product is here to help with that. Your eyes are important, and red eyes can be distracting. With this product, you can enhance your natural radiance and feel more confident. What we like? This product quickly reduces redness, giving you brighter, more radiant eyes. The effect is fast-acting and long-lasting. If you have tired eyes or want to look your best for a special occasion, this is the perfect solution. What people say. This is a great product. It gets my eyes so white and last all day and it's quick acting within minutes. My eyes are clear and bright. These eye drops really do what they promise. They make your eyes noticeably brighter and clearer without that harsh, dry, or irritated feeling some eye drops leave behind. Within minutes of using them, my eyes look refreshed, awake, and well-rested, even on days when I don't feel that way at all. They make the white part of my eyes look super bright and clear by getting rid of visible redness and blood vessels right away. They're perfect for important meetings, events, or dates when first impressions really matter and you want your eyes to look fresh and awake. Number 3. Revlon Face Roller for Oily Skin. This Revlon Face Roller instantly mattifies and absorbs oil. It helps you achieve a shine-free look effortlessly. It removes excess oil without disturbing your makeup. You can maintain a flawless look throughout the day with this tool. You can use it on clean skin at home or to mattify on the go. It's portable and easy to use, perfect for any situation. Made from real volcanic stone, it quickly banishes shine. Unlike blotting papers, this roller is reusable and washable. Need a refill? Swap roller balls quickly and conveniently with the Revlon Facial Roller Refill Pack. No need to repurchase handles. What we like? This roller instantly mattifies your skin, removing excess oil without disturbing your makeup. It's reusable and easy to carry with you. If you like a quick touch-up throughout the day to keep your skin shine-free, you should consider this. What people say. It's incredibly effective and better than blotting papers. This roller instantly absorbs excess oil without disturbing makeup, leaving my skin matte and fresh. It took the shine off, and when it came time to clean, it snapped apart easily and some mild cleaner. A good rinse and out dries so fast. Works really well, gets full pretty quickly, but it's easy to wash and dries pretty fast. Number 2. Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Face Moisturizer. Introducing the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Face Moisturizer. This daily anti-aging cream is designed to combat fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. It's a simple way to rejuvenate your skin. With just one jar, you can reverse up to 7 years of visible skin aging. The cream's formula includes hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump your skin. It helps to improve the appearance of under-eye wrinkles, cheek wrinkles, and crow's feet. This facial moisturizer features an accelerated retinol complex. It visibly renews your skin's texture and evens your skin tone. It also helps smooth the look of fine lines. Clinically proven to smooth fine lines in 1 week and fade wrinkles in 4 weeks. You can use it as both a face and neck cream. This product is effective and efficient. This Neutrogena moisturizer is expertly formulated to maximize results while minimizing irritation. It provides a skincare solution to help you achieve and maintain healthy, hydrated skin. It's a great addition to your daily routine. What we like? This moisturizer helps to visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It contains retinol and hyaluronic acid to hydrate and rejuvenate your skin. If you are looking for an effective anti-aging solution to incorporate into your daily routine, this is a great option. What people say. With consistent nightly use, this rapid repair has changed the appearance of my skin. I find this product much less irritating than prescription-strength retinoids, which typically would make me very susceptible to sunburn, even with sunscreen. It applies easily and evenly to your skin, initially leaving a glossy sheen that quickly dries to your natural skin tone after a couple minutes. Number 1. Vivienne Sabó Cabaret Premier Black Mascara. Discover the secret to French beauty with this classic mascara. It provides defined and voluminous lashes with just one coat. Build a look for even thicker, fan lashes. This mascara is designed to give you a soft, natural look. Its lightweight formula is also smudge-proof and long-lasting, so it won't flake or transfer. Say hello to length, thickness, and volume that last all day. This mascara will keep your lashes looking their best from morning to night. The petite wand makes it easy to coat every lash. Application is a breeze, ensuring you get the perfect look every time. Removing it is simple with a makeup remover, and it won't damage your lashes. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. This product is cruelty-free, meaning it was never tested on animals. You can feel good about using it. We stand behind our products with a hassle-free return policy. If you're not completely satisfied, you can get your money back. What we like? This mascara provides defined and voluminous lashes without clumping or smudging. It's easy to apply and lasts all day. If you like a classic mascara that enhances your lashes with a natural look, you should try this. What people say. The formula goes on smoothly and adds noticeable length and definition without clumping or weighing my lashes down. One coat gives a natural, defined look, and a second coat builds nicely without getting spidery. The brush separates lashes well and makes it easy to reach even the smaller inner and outer corner lashes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.